Hey y'all, glad to see you made it back. If you didn't know, my name is Smitty. We are in the middle of a 4L60E build. Last video, yesterday, we assembled the input housing and got the clutches all in and took the measurement on it, made sure they were within spec, and just made sure everything was right. And today we actually are getting into some bushing install. We've got some of the stuff that we got came with new bushings in it, like the reaction carrier. This piece here came with new bushings in it, so we don't have to worry about that. The reverse input housing, that's new. It came with new bushings in it, where my thumb is. So we don't have to worry about that. But we do have to worry about the forward sprag and the sun gear. And the rear case bushing, by the way. You gotta have that. So let's get going. Alright, y'all are gonna have to mind the fan because it's starting to get warm in here. And I don't have any other way to stay cool. So let's see about getting this bushing out first. I've actually got two bushing driver kits. So this is just one of them. Maybe that one there. Yeah, that ought to work. You can do these one of two ways. You can either hammer them out or press them out. And since I don't have a press, the latter of the two is going to be the way they're going to come out, with a hammer. Kind of like that. Now bushingless. Alright, so match it up with your new bushing. Probably that one right there. It looks like it. Too bad they don't make a wide bushing for this sun gear. I could bet it could benefit from it. Alright, same thing. See if I got one that fits it a little better. Yeah. Going out, it's alright, but going in, you want one of the drivers to fit a little bit more snug. Just like that. There's your new bushing. There it is. It's a little bit deeper than usual, but I've never known that to make any difference. Oh yeah, that fits nice and snug on there. So there's that one. Alright, now we got to do the... We're not going to need this kit anymore. Well, not right now anyway. Probably going to have to knock these out with a punch. The reason I say that, there's no way to get a real good tool in there. So we're gonna use a punch. We'll just grab the side of it so you can, just like that. Really easy to get it out. Now on the other side, since you got one of the bushings out already, you can take your bushing driver and knock it out that way. There you go. There's 2 bushings. Alright. Got our new replacements. Okay, on these have got oil holes in this sprag that you got to make sure not to cover up. So you only want to drive the, I know you all can't see them there. Maybe you can. But there is a couple of oil holes in there that you don't want to cover up. Alright. Grab the other camera so you can see this. Okay, there's one of the oil holes right there. You don't want to cover that one up. And then there's one on this other side too. See it there? You don't want to cover up the oil holes, so don't go too deep with your bushing. Make sure you get your bushing even all the way around too. And that one looks pretty good. I could probably go a little deeper with the bushing. Just making sure I had the right size. Yep, looks good. Okay, so we got those 2 bushings in, so we can check the fit on the output shaft, because that's what it sits on. Okay, we're gonna have to dress that a little bit apparently. You're gonna have to dress both sides of it. Yeah, it's got just a little bit of a burr on it. That's not a big deal. It's going to happen when you press that in there. So grab you, I'm going to use a should have a half moon file in here. Yeah, there we go. Kind of just dress the edge a little bit. There's one. That went in both of them. I'm going to push this top bushing down just a little bit further. Alright, I feel a little better about that. Yeah, that's a lot better. Mucho bettero. Alright, so we're good there. Now, last but certainly not least, we're going to do our rear case bushing. And that bushing is this dude here with a couple of slots in it. Good rule of thumb is where this seam is, there you go, see it right there. put that seam at 12 o'clock, okay? And the tangs on it go towards the inside. We're going to start with the one that's a little bit oversized to start hammering with. That way less risk of damaging the bushing as we get it started in there. You want to get this dude just barely below flush. Let's see how we did there. You just go smidge further. That feels pretty good. Flip it over and look at the other side. Yep, I'd say that looks really good. Alright, so there's the case. Alright, y'all, that's going to be it for the case bushings. So, usually there's more case bushings to that, but we're getting a new pump which has 2 or 3 bushings in it, so we don't need that. Like I said, the reverse input housing was new, so it came with bushings in it. The reaction carrier shaft came with new bushings in it because it's new. So the only thing we had to replace is just the forward sprag bushings and the sun gear bushing, and of course the rear case bushing. I've already replaced the one in the tail shaft, so it's already done. So that's going to do it for today. Tomorrow we're actually going to start assembling the case, put the low reverse clutch in, and get that kind of stuff together. So with that being said, if you liked what you've seen, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get the latest updates. Give me a like. Likes are good. Leave me a comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good jazz. This is educational, so I'm not going to buzz through this stuff just because of instance of time. You know, I want you all to be able to, if you needed to pick it up, you could go to sections of this and find what you need, fix it, and move on. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, please comment on it and let me know. Follow me on Instagram. It's iRockinZ87, and I'm still kind of new to the Instagram thing. I'm trying to figure out how it works. I'm an old dog and trying to teach a new trick, and I'm still trying to catch up on it. So anyway, with that being said, y'all take care of each other, take care of yourself, and then until next time, we'll see you then. God bless. Bye-bye.